after the vaccine, you will also wait 15 minutes in the clinic area. Okay? Okay, so hold this, please. Yeah. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lizelle from my low carb recipes journey. So for today vlogs, I just want to share with you my experience on how I get my COVID-19 vaccine. So some of you know that I live here in Israel. I work as a caregiver for old people. So some of the country only allowed for those are frontliner. Maybe I considered myself a frontliner. And in this vlog, I want to share with you my experience. What do you expect after you get the vaccine? So I got my first vaccine last December 27th. So today is December 30 already. I just uploaded on my story and some of you asked about it, so I decided to make a blog about it. So I get my first vaccine last December 27th around 2:30 in the afternoon. So when I get there, the nurse asked me, tell me some of those possible side effect of the vaccine, like inflammation whatsoever. They will inform you how it goes, what will be the and also what will be the side effect, possible side effect. That's what I told. And then they will ask a second, after they inform you about the vaccine, they will ask you if you have any allergies on food, on any medicine. And then they will also ask you if you have for the past 2 weeks that you have fever, and then if you received some other vaccine, I think flu vaccine. I think they will not allow you to take this COVID-19 vaccine. And then they will also tell you after the effect, after they inject the vaccine, you will need to rest because based on my experience, after they inject the vaccine, I feel dizzy. So they told me to sit outside and wait for about 15 minutes before going home, because the vaccine side effect is make you dizzy. I have my copy on what are the possible side effect, so I will write on the description box. You know, I don't have a script to do this vlog, so I hope you can understand it. And then what are my experience. So the vaccine, they inject it in my left. They will ask you what you prefer, on the left or on the right. So I prefer on the left. So for the past 24 hours after I get the vaccine, it's painful. My arm is so painful and I cannot lift it because it feels like something on it, I think. and I feel dizzy also after they inject it. For the 24 hours, I feel so weak and sleepy, so I slept all the time. So that's the on the second day. My arm is still hurting until third day. Your arm will be still hurting. So until now it's gone already. Even I pinch my arm, it's not hurt anymore. So that's it. That's the side effect. You just feel so sleepy and feel so weak for the past 3 days. For me, I don't know for anybody. So what I do is I drink a lot of water. So that's only what happened to me. So I hope when you have your COVID-19 vaccine, you will also share some of your experience. Comment down below for your experience to help those people who have anxiety. You know, some of you are afraid to have it, but it's a pandemic, so I think it's a good vaccine. So the brand they inject on us is Pfizer. Yes, Pfizer. And they said, and they give me another second boost on the 21st day. So wait for my next vlog about what it happened, if I'm still alive or not. But I think it's good because now I don't feel any, just only past days sleepy and so weak, and that's it. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for more keto and low carb recipes and some of my daily and my journey here in my journey. That's it. So thank you and God bless you. I hope you get well and see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye.